back to my channel. We're working on this Magic Shack. It's really cute. Last time we did this plate of green apples, this gazing ball or crystal ball, magnifying glass, and this little bead pot with a pearl on it. It's really cute. Don't know what it is. Have no clue. Just a decoration, I'm supposing. Today we're going to move on to this container of fruit. We need J13. Which is this little brass grommet. And J24. I believe that this might be that. I'm not sure. Let me double check. J24. It seems awful big. It is. J24 is this one. It's this one here. This is J24. That's more in line with its dimensions. And then 4 of these mini tiny pony type beads. Yellow beads. Now I've been using crazy glue on a lot of this plastic to metal stuff. This kit did not include glue with it. I started out using some Eileen's Turbo Tacky Glue. It's been working on the paper stuff, but it wasn't working so well for the metal on metal and metal on plastic. Now, of course, super glue tends to have its own trickiness with it. But I found if you just apply it sparingly, it tends to do a little better. Also giving it a minute to set. So we'll do that. I'll push these little beads over there. Clean this up off my cutting mat. And we'll move on and come back to that. Now we want to go on with J30, which is a square clear cube bead. Has a hole straight through it. And another of these small mini end caps, bright gold. And a small gold bead. Which will be this. So here's our pieces. And basically we want to glue this gold end cap onto the top, over top the hole. So we'll put some crazy glue around there. The only reason sometimes I don't really like using crazy glue is it can dry hazy. So, plus you can stick to everything. But if you get it on top of the gold, it leaves a hazy film. So I don't particularly like using it, but with things like this, it almost is better. That's why I say use it sparingly. And we will just, it helps to be really accurate in what you're doing. And try not to knock it over. I'll show close-ups after they've kind of sat a bit. We'll go on to these newspapers and then come back and do our yellow beads. Get a close-up and a close-up of this. So let's move on with this. Let's start with the pot, H16. That's this big giant bead in here. It's beautiful. It's plastic. There's some static cling happening where the green was before. It's all down inside. But it's a pretty bead. That helps. Blow it out. And then we need I-35, I-36, I-37 out of our cutouts, which this is, they don't tell you, it's 2-1 or if it's 1-2 and 2-2. It's not telling you which one it's in here, so let's find them. Here we go. Here's I-37, I-36, and I-35. They're right here. So, I'm going to close up this crazy glue. I'm just going to chunk these out for starters. And then trim them. This very cute pattern. Almost looks like a vine done in black and white. It's an interesting pattern, let's put it that way. This looks like a manuscript, and this looks like an old newspaper. It says what people are eating. And that's all I can make out. The rest of it is much too small. They basically want us to wrap them inside out to make them look like scrolls. So I'm going to grab a paintbrush to do this on. And then add a little glue. I think they want you to roll them long ways, because I see the writing going side to side here. So that means we want them rolled long ways. There we go. Well, the glue worked very well for this. It did adhere pretty quickly. I'm hoping that's small enough. So there they are. And now we need to put them into this pot. So I'm just going to put a little glue around this top edge. Just like that. And hopefully, I wonder what they look like. We can see that pot in here. Here it is. They are sticking mostly out, so we may need to put something in the bottom. How about we just go ahead and do that? It's mostly halfway up. Okay. Oh, I think we still have enough glue in there. So they have one of them higher, the newspaper, which, yeah. And I'm looking here, they're showing the 2 lines of text. So that's about where they're actually showing theirs still kind of open. Well, mine aren't. And then this one to the side at an angle. And this one in the front. I love this manuscript. I wish I would have noticed that they left them open a bit. But I didn't, so I'll just push him down in as far as it can go. And then I'll bend it just to there. There we go. That got pretty good. Just keep that up in there. This bead is cute. I'm gonna turn it a little because here's the seam. There we go. And next we'll work on this little log bin. We need 5 pieces of H13. And yes, they are already cut, which is nice. Here they are. These are H13. And we also need H18, which is this beautiful filigree end cap. That's beautiful. Mine seems to be a little separated, but we'll push it back together. And these are laying across the top. Mine seems a little narrower than that. But that's it, H18. So somehow they are making them lay across it. I guess like that. Let's just see what we can make of it here. I guess that wouldn't be too bad. We still need to finish our little bowl of fruit here. And that's about what it's gonna look like. What did we do this time? Well, this little pot of yellow fruit. It's really cute. And we can finally get a close-up on this. It almost looks like a little perfume jar. It's adorable. And we did our pot of papers, manuscript, and whatever this is. And yes, they left theirs hanging open a little bit. You might want to do that. I did not, but I'm not disappointed in the outcome. It's really cute. And we also did this pot of firewood. Let me hold that here. So everything got really cute. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you for coming. Hope to see you next time.